Guys, welcome to Computer Buddy. Myself Akhilesh, and in this video I'm going to talk about a very good flash game, and name of that game is Pocket Tanks. And you can go to that site, type Pocket Tanks download, and here you can get that Pocket Tanks download. Click on that, and here it is. Download this and install. This is one of the best flash games for PC. So download. After completion of download, you should install this game, and yeah, here it is. Install this. Follow the steps. Yeah, okay, it is opening. Yeah, I'm going to play this game and show you how to play this. And this is a good flash game. Select these options and now give the player name. I'm giving my name Akhil. So here, and now select difficulty level. I'm selecting 4. Continue, and you can select manually or select automatically, and click select random. Okay, now the game starts. So you can set the angle, and you can set the power, and you can choose different weapons, and you are having only 4 moves. So now I'm setting the angle, and I'm setting the power. Now, yeah, fire. So the game is like this. You have to fire your enemy with the different weapons you got, and you should get more points than your enemy, and you can win this game. Thanks for watching my video. Please do support by subscribing my channel. Thank you.